Explosive breakout formation stocks. What does that mean? My name is Russell Markham. I'm Director of Education for VectorVest Australia. In the VectorVest system, we have some amazing tools to find you stocks that are breaking out in price. But a warning, it's not for the faint-hearted. So if you're a bit more aggressive, this might be something you're interested in. Before we get going here, please note our license number here. In addition, please note, general advice only. I cannot take into account your personal financial circumstances or needs. Please speak to your advisor. Past performance is no guarantee of future results. With that said, let me load it up. So I'm in VectorVest here. I'm in this powerful tool called UniSearch. And here's the search: explosive breakout formations. The strategy finds stocks that are currently ready to buy. In other words, they've got good fundamentals and technicals and average. Have an average volume greater than 100,000 in liquidity. So that being the average volume, and have hit a new 30-day high. The stocks must also have a relative timing. That's a short-term price momentum indicator that we use at VectorVest. So that short-term price momentum and volume must have been trending higher for the last few days there. And the stocks are sorted such that the ones with the highest trading range, so the most amount of movement taking place for the day, come to the top of the list. So these are stocks that have sort of about to explode up and exploding up in many cases. And so here are all the nuts and bolts behind it. If I pull this down here, you can see this is what we look for. I'm not going to get into all of this because it's there if you want to take out a trial of VectorVest, and you can go through this all in your own time should you choose. I just want to alert you to it. Here are the tools, and this is how you use it. And so here, as of the 2nd of May, if I run the search, which I did, here it all is. So you can see those stocks that are meeting the criteria above. So you can see our stocks hitting a new high over the last 30 days and trending higher over the last 2 days. And the volume there is trending higher over the last 2 days. And if I load up the first stock here, TLX Pharma, TLX being the ticker code, and zoom in here, look at that beautiful uptrend. Had a bit of a pullback. Look at this, VectorVest has picked it up again. Look at that, it bounced, came down again, bounced, came down again, bounced. That's what it's looking for. Stocks with that big range moving a lot, but now trending to the upside. So it looks like this one here, if you can pick it up on the dips before the next rip up, certainly an explosive stock to take a look at. So we have all these wonderful tools in VectorVest via the UniSearch tool here. We can sort, rank, and screen stocks for all sorts of different parameters. This is just one I'm looking at today. Searches per the price volume folder here, or group as we call it here at VectorVest. And here are some of the stocks being found. If you like what you see, why not take out a 30-day trial? Test VectorVest out for yourself. See what VectorVest can do for you. If you're after explosive stocks, VectorVest can certainly help you identify some pretty explosive stocks. And this is just one of the many different searches that we have to identify explosive stocks in VectorVest. Hope you got a lot out of it. Until next time, bye for now.